Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Sleep. First, download the app and connect your Pokémon Go++ device. This device helps track your sleep more accurately. Next, set your bedtime and wake-up times in the app. Consistency is key for good sleep and better in-game progress. You'll want to ensure your phone is charging and near your bed to record your sleep effectively each night. Once you've set up, place your phone face down near your pillow to track your sleep. The app analyzes your sleep patterns, categorizing them into different sleep styles. These styles attract various Pokémon to Snorlax. Your sleep score, based on duration and quality, directly boosts Snorlax's drowsy power, which is crucial for attracting rarer Pokémon. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. While you're focusing on your sleep, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleaning. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your home spotless. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Each morning, new Pokémon will visit Snorlax. Offer them biscuits to raise their friendship level, and eventually, they might join your team. Cooking meals for Snorlax is another vital daily activity. You can prepare 3 meals a day, which significantly increases Snorlax's strength. Gather ingredients by tapping on your helper Pokémon throughout the day. As you play, your main goal is to research new sleep styles and complete your sleep style decks. Leveling up your helper Pokémon is essential, as it enhances their ability to find ingredients and berries. Don't forget to use your dream shards to upgrade your cooking pot, allowing for larger and more potent meals and other helpful items.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.